Hello children, welcome to Lokmanya Gurukul e-learning. Today we are going to learn General Science of Standard 8, Chapter 11, Human Body and Organ System. This is video number 4. Myself Kavita Rao. Let us study what is function of blood. मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण काय पाहिलं? Component of the blood. Now see, transport of gases. Oxygen is carried via blood from lungs to cell in various parts of body. And carbon dioxide from tissues to lung. म्हणजे both the function करता है oxygen आणि carbon dioxide also they carry. Transport of nutrient, that is simple nutrient like glucose, amino acid, fatty acid are taken up by blood from the wall of alimentary canal and transported up to the each cell in the body. म्हणजे nutrients पण transport करते. Transport of waste material, nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, creatinine are released by tissue into blood, which carries those to what? Kidney for excretion. Excretion चं पण काम blood करतो. Now protection, antibodies are produced in blood and they protect the body from microbe and other harmful particles. Now transport of enzyme and hormones. Blood transport the enzyme and hormone from site of their production to the site of their action. म्हणजे हे पूर्ण बॉडीमध्ये सर्क्युलेट होत असल्यामुळे इकडच्या लागणाऱ्या वॉट इम्पॉर्टंट गोष्टी आहेत त्या दुसऱ्या पार्टला पोचवणं बॉडीमध्ये. इट इज द बेसिक वर्क ऑफ ब्लड. नाउ थर्मोरेग्युलेशन काय आहे? बॉडी टेम्परेचर इज मेंटेन कॉन्स्टंट बाय 37 degrees Celsius at 37 degrees Celsius by vasodilation and vasoconstriction. म्हणजे ते ब्लड वेसल आयदर डायलेट होतात, ठीक आहे, किंवा कॉन्स्ट्रिक्ट होतात आणि याप्रमाणे ब्लड फ्लो कमी जास्त होतं आणि मग काय बॉडीचं टेम्परेचर काय केलं जातं? मेंटेन केलं जातं थ्रू दिस. मेंटेनिंग द बॅलन्स ऑफ मिनरल लाईक सोडियम अँड पोटॅशियम इन बॉडी. If bleeding occur at what? The injury, then platelet and a protein called fibrinogen. मगाशी आपण component of blood मध्ये हे पाहिलं होतं, ठीक आहे. So what it does? Clotting forms a clot and seal the injury. नाही तर blood flow continuous राहिला असता. Because of the presence of platelet and protein fibrinogen, the clot takes place. Now next we'll see human blood group. Depending upon the protein like antigens and antibody, different blood groups are formed. मग आता आपण ऐकलंच असेल ना, प्रत्येक माणसाचा ब्लड ग्रुप असतो की नाही, तुमचाही असेल. There are 4 main groups of human blood: A, AB and O. Besides, there are 2 types of Rh negative and Rh positive of each those 4 groups. Thus, in all 8 blood groups are formed. Example: ARH positive, ARH negative. Okay, these are the type of blood groups. Now blood donation काय आहे? If a person meets an accident, bleeding occurs through wound. Many times the blood transfusion is necessary. Blood transfusion म्हणजे आपल्याला आपण जे ब्लड देतो ते पेशंटला ट्रान्सफर केलं जातं ड्युरिंग द सर्जिकल ऑपरेशन. सिमिलरली द ब्लड इज ट्रान्सफ्यूड इन केस ऑफ पेशंट ऑफ अनिमिया, थॅलेसेमिया, कॅन्सर टू. म्हणजे जे आजारी असतात आणि ज्यांना ब्लडची गरज असते, जसे हे डिसीज आहे अनेमियामध्ये ब्लडची गरज असते, थॅलेसेमियामध्ये पण. Now blood transfusion is carried out to compensate the blood shortage in the body, and this is called as what? Blood transfusion. Next, from where the blood supplied for blood transfusion? Blood banks आहेत various, isn't it? आपल्या डोंबिवलीमध्ये पण आहेत. Blood is collected in blood bank by specific method from the healthy person and supplied to needful person. If the collected blood is not to be used immediately, it can be stored for some days in a refrigerator. ते रेफ्रिजरेटरमध्ये स्टोअर पण केलं जातं. Now blood donor कोण आहे? The person who donates the blood is referred as blood donor. Recipient कोण असणार आहे? The person who receives the blood is referred as recipient. Person of blood group O can donate the blood to the person having any other blood group, whereas the person with AB blood group can receive the blood from person with any other blood group. Hence, person of blood group O is called as an universal donor, and O is called as universal donor, and the person with blood group AB is universal recipient. Okay. Now, blood group are hereditary and depend upon the gene inherited from parent. The blood transfusion is performed only after the blood group matches. If it is done without matching, it may prove fatal, much dangerous for the patient. The person who donates the blood may be recipient in future. Now, blood donation without any expectation is always life-saving. Blood is required in various situations like accident, bleeding, parturition, that is giving birth to a child, surgical operation. Then blood donated by a healthy person is used to save the life of needful person, and hence blood donation is considered as the best donation. Okay. Now, blood pressure, what is the information for that? Blood bank ची information तुम्ही काढा. From net you can remove that, collect the information. Now, blood pressure काय आहे? Blood is continuously kept flowing through the blood vessel due to contraction and relaxation of what? Heart. Due to the contraction of the heart, the pressure is exerted on wall of arteries, and it is called as in what? Blood pressure. Proper blood pressure is necessary to supply the blood in all parts of the body. Pressure recorded during the contraction of heart is called as in what? Systolic pressure. During contraction, it is called as systolic pressure. That one recorded during relaxation is called as a diastolic pressure. Now, blood pressure of a healthy person is about 120/80 mm to 139/89 mm of Hg. It is measured with the help of what? Sphygmomanometer. Okay. Now, hypertension काय आहे हे तुम्हाला सगळ्यांनाच माहिती आहे. High blood pressure then the normal is referred as hypertension. In arteries of person with hypertension, unnecessary tension develop the heart muscle to perform more function than normal condition in case of hypertension. Both systolic and diastolic pressure are high in what? Hypertension. Now, always remember, blood production occurs continuously in our body. About 350 ml of blood is collected from a person during donation, and our body restores the fluid part of it within 24 hours. ठीक है, एवढं पटापट blood तयार होतं. Now, pregnant and breastfeeding women cannot donate the blood, कारण त्यांना सगळ्यात जास्त गरज असते, त्यांनी donate नसतं करायचं. There is no trouble during or after the blood donation. 1st October is observed as National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. Healthy person of an age more than 18 years can donate the blood for 3 to 4 times a year, and it is very good. Especially it is good for people who donate blood also. Okay. Now, type systolic pressure, diastolic pressure. Normal pressure काय आहे? 90 to 119 mm. Then diastolic 60 to 79. आता आपण ऑक्सिजन लेवल वगैरे आणि ब्लड प्रेशर नेहमी चेक करत होतो ड्युरिंग दिस कोरोना. सी दिस आर द रेंजेस फॉर दॅट. मग हायपरटेन्शन काय आहे? हायपरटेन्शनला हे पुढे पुढे कसं सिस्टॉलिक वाढत जातं आणि डायस्टॉलिक पण वाढत जातं. दॅट रेंज दे हॅव गिवन. ABO blood group were discovered by Carl Landsteiner in 1900. He won the Nobel Prize in 1930 for this discovery. Blood group AB was discovered by De Castillo and Studel in 1902. Studley. Now, hematology is what a branch of medical science that deal with the study of blood. Hematopoietic organ and blood disease is called as a hematology. Research of diagnosis and remedies of blood disease is what also performed in this branch. Okay, this is the all information given about blood pressure and various things. Here we complete the chapter, go through videos and read the lesson. Thank you, children.